Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Calliope Video here, and today I'm going to be starting a new series called Makeup Around the House. Now, of course, this isn't makeup you wouldn't wear around the house doing chores. Like, who would just get up just to beat their face? You know what? I might just call it Glam Around the House. Glam Around the House is going to be my new series where I basically take things from around my house and make it into this fabulous look for you guys. And today we're using my sister's NightLite. I don't know why she still has a NightLite. Who knows? But today we're using her NightLite and it looks like this. Did I get close? Did I don't know. I think I did. I think I did pretty good. And yeah, so I used this NightLite and I don't know, it really just caught my attention. We never use it. It's literally never on. It was just sitting on her desk and I felt like I could use this because I have my Urban Decay electric palette that I never use. Like, why pay $40, $50 for a palette that you never use? So and then I finally figured out how to put my freaking lashes on. Like, it took me a while, but yeah, so if you guys like this look, I always do that. If you guys like this look, keep in tune, and here we subscribe down below to Calliope Video and enjoy this video life. Enjoy your day, stay beautiful, and stay positive. There's always something out in the world for you, and go and grab it. Take it. It's yours. It's 2018. Also, follow me on Snapchat. I'm going to post all my links and stuff to my social media down below. Or you can get my snap code. I'll probably put it somewhere in the video. But as you guys know, I'm not posting as many videos as I would like because I am editing on my iPad and not my Mac anymore. Love you so much. Be a panda and live peacefully, man. So if you guys really like this look, or just send me pictures of what you have around the house and I can do those. And just keep the ball rolling. Alrighty. Calliope Video out. I have makeup on my hand. I was planning this look out. Look at that highlighter. It's like, ooh. I use eyeshadow for blush, like a purple eyeshadow for blush, and I really like it. And I never usually get my eyelashes on right, and today I did, just for you guys. Just for you. Just for you guys. I wasn't recording this whole time.